Hi friends, it's Nisha Antoinette. How y'all doing today? Go ahead right now if you have not done so and subscribe to my channel. We're just going to jump right into this video. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for supporting my channel. And thank you for just being a part of the royalty family. I really appreciate that. We're about to do a morning facial routine, and don't mind these raggedy lashes because I'm going to get them done today. So what we're going to do is do a morning facial routine, and we're going to work around these lashes because my appointment is today. So don't come for me picking on me. Now let me stop. Let's get right into this video. I went on ahead and used the Equate makeup remover from Walmart. The GOAT, y'all. This is definitely clutch. Buy it from Walmart ASAP. So we're using the Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser by Neutrogena. Afterwards, after we clean our skin, do it right, we're going to use the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Y'all can spend all that money on skin product, but these two is a sure thing. You got to drink a hell of a lot of water for your skin to be nice and smooth like mine. Real smooth. I don't keep my hands in my face all the time. I really don't. And I see young girls way younger than me. I mean, way younger than me. Have wrinkles, skin toe up. It's just ridiculous. Like, use these. I'm not a doctor. Disclaimer. My daughter is. Disclaimer. This product that I'm using, this is not sponsored. Those two products, chef kiss. I use bottled water to brush my teeth, and I use bottled water to wash my face. So I don't have my tripod, so I have to lean the camera like this. So let's go ahead and use this. And I already put some product on here, y'all. Let's go ahead and get the big one. Don't get the small stuff. The big ones last. The big ones last forever. What I do is get a clean toothbrush. I think this is a soft toothbrush, maybe a medium. But y'all, I do have those little nice, cute, aesthetic skin scrubbers or facial scrubbers. I have those. I'll show you one of them. But a faithful toothbrush? What? And I only use this for my face, not my teeth. I got one separate for my teeth. So, and lightly go around your eyes, lightly, because you don't want wrinkles. And I don't use the toothbrush all the time, only if I'm using makeup. So, we got to get this off my skin. Okay, so toothbrush, clean. So what I do is get water and rinse this toothbrush off. Everything has to be right in front of you. I don't have time to be looking for nothing. No time to be going around looking for product, looking for things that you need that should be in your bathroom. You just have to be organized. That's what I have to say. So anyway, I also have the scrubbers as well. So if you want, you can use these. And it has different levels. And I got this one from Ross, but you can get these anywhere. So let's go ahead and rinse this off my face. towel block your face. I don't use rags or towels on my face. No, ma'am. Going up and out. Ooh, yeah, this feels so good. I keep it in the freezer. And it's by Jessica Simpson. I got it from Ross. Super cute. You just put it in the freezer. And it's big and it's pretty. I got the smaller ones too. Anyway. Definitely get up under your eyes. And if you have under eye patches, put them in the refrigerator. Amazing. And let's just put a little goes a long way. That's all we need. And if you ask me, that's too much. Get up under your eyes, moisturize under your eyes. Oh boy, who's calling? Probably my mom. They want crabs today. Massage your face like that. All right, that's it. So, refreshing. Whatever you do, go get one of these. Pull it up, Jessica Simpson, or go on Amazon and pull one of these up, the big one, and keep it in the freezer. Make sure you rinse it off after you use it, sanitize it, and put it back in the freezer. But my daughter called and she said, "Ma, you look nice and cozy." I am. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready. I already took a shower, and that's my morning facial routine. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, Toodaloo. Ladies, gents, take care of your face, take care of your skin, and please don't forget to drink a lot of water.